friends, welcome to Tasty Life Plant Lady. Yeah, you can see some beautiful Chandha Maluti or 4 o'clock, and now it is actually 4:30. Yes, that's why you guys can see them blooming. Today a little, very little flower, all the little flowers are blooming today, and weather is quite cool, so I'm thinking that let's make a quick review or overview of my garden today. So let's do it. What do you guys think? Doesn't matter, I'm going to do it. So because I'm very happy, don't get upset or get mind of my words. So I'm starting with these beautiful 4 o'clock plants. It's quite big, as you can see. Yes, it's quite big. And beside that, my new iridescent plants. Few days back I just replanted here and I make the video. I'm sure you guys have seen that. Then besides that, I have my red leaf plant, I forget the name. Then this is holly basil. I make some cuttings from these blue vine or Aparajita flowers, and these cuttings successfully grow, as you can see. And here are my blue days. One blue days is blooming today, and now it's not bloomed. And here are my each plant. Then my Portulaca tower, I kept it here because in afternoon there was heavily rain, so I moved it here. And beside that, of course, lots of Portulaca. All these are pink color. I'm going to show you my pink color Portulaca. Then these plants has very bad condition, and only my aloe vera has the good condition. And in front of them, they are quite sad situation because I cut these branches and just put it here to grow the cuttings. So let's jump into here. There is my Calathea. Some are good, some are in bad condition. Of course, my philodendron lime, they are always in good condition. Then my lucky bamboo, which is in very good condition. Another my little philodendron, and the most lovable, everybody love these syngonium plants. They are the, what I can say, they are very beautiful and giving variant greenish. As you can see, so much green inside it. Yes, let me show you this one, and this one, and the beautiful plants, of course, and my Rio plants. Besides that, today my Rio have lots of baby plants going to produce 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it's going to produce 7 baby plant. Then my purple heart, see, beautiful purple heart. And of course, branches of my Aparajita or blue vine or Clitoria. Here is a bud, and there is a blooming. Let me bring them inside. Okay, it's tough for me now, but there is a blooming inside there. Okay, my money plants, I'm transferring them here so that they got lots of rainwater. Then of course my Zebrina plant and my inch plant are here also. I planted them newly. I hope you can see. Yes, let me show you from this side. Yes, then another money plant. I also, why it looks, yeah, now light get again. I also transfer my money plant here just because it got enough rainwater and they are growing very well, this one and that one as well. And down there are my Nayanthara, lots of Nayanthara blooming every day. You guys know, doesn't matter it is raining or hot sun. So just beside that I also again planted another bunch of money plant so that I get lots of them. And beside that my yellow 4 o'clock, today is no bloom. Then here is my crown of thorn, another crown of thorn. They don't like water, that's why they are not producing flower in this monsoon. Then another Nayanthara, which is actually Vinca. Then finally I got one and only lily, rain lily. Though there is lots of heavily rain throughout the month for more than 2 weeks, but no, not that much flower producing this year. I don't know why. Then as usual my beautiful balsamine, and you guys know I have lots of balsamine flowers plants, and there are some variety and colors over there. Oops, ignore the noise guys. Yes, let me show you. All these are in good condition because today a little rain, so after heavy rain I got to chance. And oh yes, this is my Alamanda plant which I planted recently. Yes, it is. It's still in a adjusting condition, so it's not yet blooming, so hopefully it will start bloom soon. And of course plant lady, yes I am, I'm talking about myself, and my Portulaca or Purslane, they are starting blooming very nicely. Every day they bloomed, and now as it is quite evening, so I don't have any blooming. And here it is my triangle heart. Then another cuttings I planted there, of course my tangle heart, and that is rose cactus. Beside that my bitter gourd plant. Okay, let me show you my pink balsamine, baby pink balsamine with lots of seeds over there. I have to collect them. Then another Vinca plant. Yes, they are not blooming as usual because of raining. So yes, here it is. My one balcony tour is completed in this June. Actually today is the almost end of June. Today is 28th June. So here is the condition of the whole balcony. So I'm going to give you update in day by day. So hope you guys doing well, and I am also doing well. So goodbye for today. Take care. Bye bye. Stay home. Have patience. Everything will be fine. We all will be good and survive in this pandemic. Okay, bye.